Hello everyone, it's Marina here and today we are learning how to make an easy and very girly birthday card. I decided to add some ribbon just to make it more interesting using score tape. Now I am fuzzy cutting a flower from the collection to stick it on the back of my card. I sewed the second layer in my sewing machine. And now I am building my focal point, which is a small girl that holds a bouquet of flowers. I am giving a little dimension using foam tape. I really love every detail on this paper collection by lemoncraft. Everything is so adorable. And if you want, you can check my other tutorial on how to make a one-sheet mini album with this paper pad. A small heart back behind, and of course, card with no flowers, at least for me, has no interesting. This is a very easy tutorial, even for beginners that start now card making. Of course, my sentiment that says a birthday girl. Let's make the inside. I use a corner punch, but you can leave the decorative paper as it is and simply stick it down. some sparkle for the final touch, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!